Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have an interesting one. We have an MRE Nation American MRE. Now this is a custom MRE or a custom menu MRE. This is not an official government issue MRE. So if you guys want some of these, go check them out. They're called MRE Nation. Here's the website and the phone number. I'm not sponsored by them. They did not send me this. I actually got this one from my buddy Old Smokey. He sent me a few of these to review, so we're gonna check this one out. A while back, I did a fake MRE pizza video. It was like an April Fool's joke. I'll link that video down below. So this will be my first time trying an official or semi-official MRE pizza. Let's get right to it. Let's check it out. All right, here it is. It's an individual meal ready to eat. Pretty much the same as a standard US issue MRE. You got the printable seal, you got the same kind of plastic. Here's the menu, number 38. They seem to have a ton of menus. Pepperoni pizza, inspection date of February of 2022. Still very fresh. There we have their logo, MRE Nation, and there's their website and phone number. And we have a little warning on the bottom, nothing on the back. So this is pretty much the same size as an MRE, same weight. So yeah, let's open it up. And we're in. Let's pull some things out. We have the pepperoni pizza with cheese and sauce. Very nice. We have a standard issue flameless ration heater. And it looks like we have some garlic mashed potatoes. That sounds really good. All right, we have an energy bar. Not sure what flavor it is. All right, we have an applesauce cake, trans fat free. Not sure if I had one of these. All right, so we have another energy bar. Now this is a cran raspberry flavor, First Strike nutritious energy bar. We have two of those. All right, so we have two accessory packs. Let's check this one out. This one looks very interesting. We have a really neat spoon. Feels sturdy. We have some toilet paper or butt ration. We have a deep rich coffee. These are pretty good. Coffee creamer, non-dairy. Moist towelette. Some Smarties candies. My kids are gonna love that. A couple of packets of pepper, sugar, and salt. That's it for that. Let's check this one out. We have some tortillas. Hopefully we get some peanut butter and jelly. We have a grape powder stick beverage. You can tell it's great by the little dot right there. We have some peanut butter and grape jelly. Very nice. And we have a Canadian style hot beverage bag. It's got that gusseted bottom, so it's really neat. And that's it. All right, guys, there you have all the components of the MRE pizza from MRE Nation. And as you can already tell, there's a really nice assortment of components. You have some drinks, you have some snacks, you have some pretty much everything. You really can't go wrong with a lot of this stuff. It looks like a really well-rounded meal, if you ask me. So yeah, let's begin. Let's get everything ready. So let's heat up the mains and the side dish, which is a garlic mashed potatoes. We don't have a ton of room in this FRH, so we're gonna put this multi-purpose pouch to use. We're going to activate the heater. And we're gonna get our tortillas in there. And we'll let this cook for about 15 minutes. And it's time to make some drinks. We're gonna use that hot beverage bag. We have the deep rich coffee and the grape drink. Let's prepare it. Gonna mix it in this. All right, so the drink calls for 12 ounces of water. Looks like they're using actual sugar, not sweeteners. There it is. Looks nice and purple. And we're gonna close it up. Yeah, let's give it a shake. There we have our purple drink. Let's have a taste. Looks nice and purple. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it just has that distinct purple Kool-Aid drink flavor to it. No real difference. It's nice and sweet. Yeah, not bad. Let's make some coffee. Here's our deep rich coffee. Some sugar. And our creamer. And let's give it a stir. And there we have our instant deep rich coffee. Looks good, smells good. Let's give it a try. It's definitely a very mild flavor coffee. There's nothing bitter about it, nothing too strong about it. It's just kind of a weak, typical cup of coffee. All right, let's break out the tray. It's been a while. All right, let's check out the first strike bar. There it is. It's nice and soft. And there you can see little bits of cranberry and Rice Krispies. Let's have a bite. Now that has a really strong cranberry flavor to it. It's a little bit tart. It's very sweet, very chewy. Yeah, it's just a really great, really good energy bar. All right, so now let's check out the high energy bar. Check that out. And this looks like some type of compressed cereal bar. It's very crumbly. And it is definitely some kind of compressed cereal bar. Let's try it out. Now that is really good. It's very sweet, very buttery, almost like a, very dense cookie. That is excellent. I like that. So let's open up the applesauce cake. Oh, wow. Check that out. It's got little bits of apple. looks very moist. It is very crumbly. Here we go. Oh, wow. Now that is really good. It's very moist, very sweet, very soft. It's pretty much an apple cinnamon pound cake or coffee cake. It's really good. All right, let's check out the other components. And let's check out the tortillas. They're nice and warm. All right, you get 3 very small sized tortillas. We're gonna make some tortilla, peanut butter and jelly rolls or wraps. Add some of this grape jelly. Let's try some of it. That is simply grape jelly, nice and sweet and tart. Let's check out the peanut butter. Yeah, it's just peanut butter. All right, we have our peanut butter and jelly buddy. We're gonna have a peanut butter and jelly taco. Here we go. You guys already know I'm a huge fan of that. That is excellent. Let's check out our mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes are nice and hot. You definitely get that buttery smell. You can see there's little bits of stuff in there like spices. All right, here we go. The mash is a little bit weird. It's got a, I don't know, like processed, canned flavor to it, but they're not that bad. They still taste like mashed potatoes. They're very nicely salted and seasoned. Let me give it another try. They do have a really nice buttery garlic flavor. It just has that lingering canned, processed flavor to it. But, you know, it is what it is. Let's wash it down. That's good Kool-Aid. All right, let's check out the pizza. It's about time. And it feels nice and warm. So let's open it up. And check that out. We have the MRE pepperoni pizza. Yeah, that looks decent. Cheese looks a little bit weird, but there's the back. I'm dying to try this, so here we go. That is exactly what I imagined it to be. Just a shelf-stable piece of bread with cheese, tomato sauce, and pepperoni on top. It's not bad, but it's not great. My expectations were right. It's decent for what it is. It's pretty tasty. You could definitely taste the tomato sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni. But the only downside, it's a little bit chewy, a little bit too much bread, I would say. Overall, I would say it's decent. I guess we can check out the moist towelette. See what it's all about. Smells like soap. My hands are a little bit sticky from that peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, it's a good moist towelette. And I'm just gonna save the Smarties for my kids. I'm sure everyone has tried one of these, so. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the pizza MRE from MRE Nation, and I gotta say everything was pretty good, pretty fantastic. It's a really well put together ration. It's got plenty of sides, plenty of snacks, plenty of drinks for a good, well-rounded meal. That being said, just want to give a huge shout out to Old Smokey. If you have not checked out his channel, the link will be down below. Make sure you check him out. And just want to give a huge thanks to all my patrons. I really appreciate all your support. As always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.